resort din ng iba to experience yung mga old games. Pero syempre, ayun nga, if something siya na
neither one of us is going to be made a national hero out of this.
Does this mean Fox is going to die?
No. This fox is still one step ahead of the hounds. The reason I came to see you today, Jack,
ng anak mo.
Take cover.
Once na i-upload to siguro yung video sa YouTube, now you can watch it on that platform. Si Amorant daw yung fave ko na YouTuber. Grabe ka, may YouTube ba si Amorant? Wala eh. Oh, saan to? Oh. Mga tao ba?
Tommy God! Why'd you defect?
I didn't. I'm loyal to the end, to my purpose. What about you, Jack?
Akit na tayo dito. Boss fight na yata to ah.
Who's that?
Oh, good afternoon, Jerome.
Me to trust me.
I don't know if I can trust anybody. Huh? HQ!
What's going on? Respond.
Silence through the night. What a
Okay.
thrill. I'm searching you're so supreme.
To serve a purpose greater than myself, and for the good of all.
If I were invisible, I wouldn't have to bother hiding or wearing camouflage.
Maybe someday you'll be able to turn invisible.
Yeah, that'll be the day.
No? Because dahil mas voca yung fans, no, kaysa din sa parang ikaw as a casual take. No? So ngayon ikaw,
Keep an eye on your stamina gauge. If you start to run low, don't push yourself. Eat something to replenish your stamina. And try not to get yourself hurt. If you're wounded or get bitten,
That spirit can give you the edge in battle. Keep energizing it, and then your enemies. Triggering
na nila is more like digital signal compare before na analog signal siya. 'Di ba? And then ito something din siya na parang I don't know, medyo nilutong Macau, 'di ba? Itataya ko ang 5 hibla daw ng 20. Ay, grabe, 5 hibla, 21 carats, sana all, no? Espay na daw, sayang hindi
Like explosions, huh? Here we go. With the boomsticks? Oh, you betcha.
Sexy Tari.
Who's that?
Ooh. Uy, hindi nakunan. Ano yun? Kupal naman yun.
kung ano yung NFT, kung ano ibig sabihin yan. Pero, most probably, NFT yung tech na gagamitin nila dyan. Diba? Doon sa blockchain. Okay? Another supply ng game. Diba? So, minting. So, ngayon, ang idea dito sa minting process is yung NFT. So, ito yung kailangang secure. Edited content siya. So parang offline recording lang siya dapat, no? So naisip ko na mag-stream kasi nga parang matagal na tayong walang stream, no? So and then at the same time altcoins ang ETC, no, or ang Ethereum, and then the rest. No, kasi lahat yon parang derived from that. Or at least some of those.
Mirror light. Last bar of the Sundom before the Forbidden West. Kaja Horn.
This is HQ.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Ooh. Serves me right for thinking I could go up against the savior of Meridian. Here, have this. A little something for the new champ.
Diba? Nagamit ko na this year yung sa akin. So, parang yung next year, hindi ko sure kung pwede na siyang gamitin ng January. So, something na itatanong.
Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can...
And you're forgetting one more very basic thing. You don't have what it takes to kill me.
Yung mismong executable ng tawag ito, ng game, it's available para kahit kanino. Pwedeng i-download ng kahit sino. So ngayon, kung available Black Ops 6, 'di ba? Yan yung shit nila ngayon eh. No? Pero ako, I really enjoy COD Infinite Warfare. Cash on delivery.
These will make a fine gift for me.
This can't be happening.
Who is he? Another one of your disciples?
Poisoning the water, enraging the machines. The source of it all has gone west. And I'm the only one who can stop it.
I've seen the signs. And I've heard tales of incredible occurrences in Meridian.
Well, you did the hard part. I just took care of the stragglers. How bad is it?
Who needs ribs, huh? Oh.
Trapped.
Get down!
No, yung pangatlong game. Sabi natin yung pangatlong game. Ngayon, ang magiging mangyayari doon, si Sony, no, once na nirelease nila yon digitally, mag-mint sila ng NFT for sale. Siyempre,
In the jungle.
sir, iba mo yung spelling, sir. Ganito dapat ang spelling ng Zex. Tuturuan kita. Ayan. Ganyan dapat ang spelling lagi. No, wag nyo i-outright kasi binablock ni YouTube. Ni Facebook.
Guys, commander, tinamaan sa ata.
'Di ba? Yun yung benefit na makikita nila. Pero ang pinaka primary na motivator diyan for the benefit is yung monetary benefit. 'Di ba? So to develop their own blockchain is something na inevitable, no, for them. Kaya ito siguro yung parang magiging, let's say, catalyst, no.
What sort of machines are causing the trouble?
Nasty ones, lots of them. Bristlebacks, they're called. Strangeness is, they're not.
Yun, huli ka, boy.
Na yung ma-experience, no, compared dun sa parang nandyan siya sa shelves ko or what, diba? Kasi una-una saan yung shelves ko. Diba? Yeah. Commentary niya or hindi, or sa review niya o hindi, especially kung nalaro ko yung game, doon magkakaroon ng tawag dito, justification, no? Pero
Okay, sige. End stream muna ako, guys, tapos mamaya tayo ulit.
ng preservation. Piracy is very ano siya situational, no, na take kasi parang
You're next, girl.
I've never seen a shield like.
occasion man yan, 'di ba? You need to dedicate yourself dun sa work mo. Pero sa panahon ngayon, in this day and age, no, parang ang mas priority na ngayon ng corporate.
Oh, that's right. Just barrel through a stranger.
Clans. If there are fewer from the Sky Clan, it can't be helped.
He's right. Sound the horn.
What's going on?
Not all Tenakth can stomach.
One. It won't be truly finished until we complete Phase 2. Phase 2. The weapon's true form. If it is completed in the
Papatay nila ikaw pinakapangat sa kalaban. Hindi siya mawala.
Apparently she's Sokolov's woman.
So if ever magkaroon niya ng magkaroon but kilabot naman tong lugar na to. At ma-sidestep ko pa.
Nothing, while demanding that good Osram gamble with their lives out there. Someone had to step up and say no more.
Ito. So, check ko lang, no? Mini-make sure ko lang kung na-redeem ko nga yung Castlevania. So, nandiyan. Kasi na parang nangyayari, yung preservation is very sensitive topic siya, no? Na parang yung mga parties like the corporate and then the checking na ginagawa para malaman na ikaw as someone na may account sa ganitong platform, you are eligible to play this game kasi you
Ruins of a bridge. Maybe it's the same one from the image. I could try to.
sabi mo na truthful yung someone na yon, no, dun sa scores na binibigay nila based on their kung ano ba sila dun sa platform like sa Metacritic, no, kung critic
Did he now?
What does it mean?
It means he's a man of his word.
yung data na yan papunta dito sa client, no? Which is, ang nangyari doon sa Web 2 is that itong data na to, hindi siya mawawala dito sa server. 'Di ba?